You need a wheel stopper?
You're one of the people that would skate them in the store.
Yeah, I am.
Why is your truck so loose?
I want to be like Daewon-san.
Are you kidding me? Wow! Hey guys, we're here today with Mowgli and
Uzi Walker Dan. We out here. Follow me on Instagram. And I said my name. Boom. That's how we start in the day. We listen to some Taylor Swift Christmas music today. you could see that on my...
That was the best thing ever, dude.
You could beep that on my YouTube channel for exclusive behind the scenes.
Seriously, if you want to see me jamming out to Taylor Swift, go to Mowgli's YouTube channel. So we're here today for a very special video. So we were at Target trying to buy a bunch of gingerbread houses for the gingerbread ledge. And then we stumbled upon these beauties right here. Kryptonics original 1965 skateboards. What kind of shape is this?
Old school?
Yeah, well, they call it a 19-inch stubby cruiser.
Stubby.
What is a 19-inch stubby cruiser? It's a 19 by 8-inch mini cruiser deck with a carry handle with 60mm by 45mm wheels, soft poured urethane with urethane with ABEC 3 bearings. And I think this is the newest pro model of Kryptonics that you can buy at Walmart and Target.
I actually vouch for it because look, someone trying to do something to you, bah, bah.
Don't do that, kids.
I mean, to
protect
yourself.
That is assault.
This is self-defense at one point. It will be.
Sure, I guess. Maybe you just don't get yourself in a situation like that to begin with.
He's saying this is self-defense at one point. It will be.
So yeah, Uzi and Mowgli are here. They're gonna play a game of full park skate, and the warning says, and I'm at risk of being muted here. Reduce the risk of serious injury and only use. Okay, wait, hold up. That was too slow.
Max
maybe
weight
if I just
110 pounds.
Maybe if I just
170.
read it very fast, I won't get muted. Warning. Reduce the risk of serious injury. No leaves while wearing full protective helmet near purpose guards full max rider 110 pounds.
Let me try. I'm fast.
Am I still getting muted? Damn it. All right. Well, here you go.
Oh, almost chopped Dan's toes off.
Here you go.
Get that song out of my head now.
Here you go.
Hey,
you guys
we
Rochambeau.
need to take this off though.
Yeah.
What the heck is this? Just
yeah, we
leave
need
it
a
on.
T-tool.
Play it as it lies.
Play it as it lies.
All right.
I'm just kidding. All right, Rochambeau.
What do they think is gonna happen to these boards? Really? Like
People are gonna skate them in the store.
You need a wheel stopper?
You're one of the people that would skate them in the store.
Yeah, I am. But you know what? They don't need to do this kind of stuff because sometimes we get them to the park and I can't skate because it's... There we go.
Oh, you actually took it out.
I'm done complaining.
Wait!
Oh. There's something... I'm not sure what, but there's something very hard to skate about this.
Let's go over here. Let me see, Dan.
It could be the front thing, I don't know.
What are you feeling right now?
I feel like it's really good, and then I almost die for no reason.
There's a bug on you.
Get him!
Oh my gosh. Real quick. Hashtag notification squad. Who do you think is gonna win this game of full park skate? Leave it in the comments below and we'll choose one lucky winner to win a prize package. All right, you're first. What will it be?
All right.
Why is your truck so loose?
I want to be like Daewon-san.
Are you kidding me?
All right. This guy's cheating. He has a whole setup. Look at mine. I got the
I went and
info.
did it.
I got the info still on here.
You can take it off.
No.
All right, shove it.
Wow. So you're telling me you already got a letter?
Yeah.
The very first trick of the game.
I've been in a glitch the fast
Are you kidding me?
day.
Dan, I'm rooting for you, man. I need you to get it together, okay? I need you to get in the zone right now.
Get on with it.
Go ahead, Mowgli. It can be
Kickflip.
anywhere. It's full park. It doesn't have to be flat ground.
I don't know about that.
Let's go. Dan, what are you doing?
Kickflip.
Wow!
You like that?
The
rocket
most
NASA
rocket
flip?
kickflip I've ever seen. Elon is testing SpaceX right now, and that's the rocket. Let's go. All tied up. I'm
Great
rooting
flip.
for you, Uzi. People think I'm too mean to you, so I'm like full team Uzi right now. Let's go.
Damn, that was crazy. I like how it has a handle.
Yeah.
That's not...
It's not the handle, Dan.
Ollie the little gap.
What? No way. Hey, if you do this, I'll give you $10. You went for it.
That was so close.
That was amazing. Your headphones.
Oh no.
Dude, that was sick.
It was like...
You know, if you went a little faster, you could have done that.
I know, but
All right.
the trucks are sketchy.
The rail over there, Wally.
What?
Like Wally, jam it, just jam it.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna count it. Redo.
I'm gonna count that.
You 180.
That was still sick. You don't have to 180. I have no idea how you rolled away on that.
I mean, I guess. Okay.
Well, that's a K for Uzi, and if you think that should have been a redo, leave it in the comments below.
Oh! Come on, Mr. Kryptonic.
Why didn't you land that?
I fell off.
If Uzi should have landed that, leave it in the comments below. Oh! Wow.
Ah! That's an A.
An A already.
Nose manual.
Nose manual? Well, if you land this, I'll give you 10 bucks.
Feast your eyes.
If he does this, if he doesn't land this tray flip, I'm making him switch tricks. Watch this.
But I will land it. This is so frustrating.
What are you doing?
Front 5-0? Front 5-0. Out of all the tricks.
Alright.
It's a T for Uzi already.
I don't know what you call it, but I've seen only 2 people do it. Louis Barletta and Jason Park do it. Like they go up transition and they hold their hand out.
Oh, you can do that?
Well, I think it's something to try. I've never done one, but I would like to try right there on that one.
Just getting creative. I tried. It's
Alright,
hard.
Gabe.
It's hard. Dan, literally you're gonna ruin your game if you don't land it right here. Come on!
I got you.
Dang, that was perfect. So good, boy. Let's go. Oh! Alright, let me flip it. I will be the mediator here.
Let me do a trick.
Okay, ready? Heads, you get your turn. Tails, you skip your turn.
Alright. Let me see it. I want to show.
Tails.
Watch this.
It's
Let me
tails.
see.
He skipped. It's your turn again.
Okay, well, let me see this. I'm gonna try a magic trick. Alright, watch. Ready? Off! Is it really my turn again?
Yeah, it's because you said if it lands on tails, you skip your turn. Or he skips his turn.
This part is hard to see.
Early grab 360 off of the quarter into the grass going down.
Alright, Penny?
It's in that hand.
Yeah.
You should just keep giving Uzi turns. Are you gonna land the gap? All right, look here. Focus. Hey, focus. You know what you need to do.
The 5 stair.
No, no! You can't even ollie the gap. How did you land? How did you do that? That was the single most amazing clip I've ever seen in my life. I'm so proud of you.
It fully came off your feet in the air.
He like hippie jump ollied. Wow. That's an A. Let's go! The comeback!
Oh.
How did he do that?
Cue the tears.
My heel is so bruised from that. For some reason. What?
I'm so proud of you, man. Never been more proud of you.
I feel like I just jumped off a 12 stair onto my heel.
I feel like you just hard flipped El Toro.
Oh my god.
If I make this rock into that garbage can over there, first try, what will you give me?
50 bucks.
Right here. Don't move, don't leave.
I think you made it. I think you made
I'll
it.
Venmo you after this.
It really wants that 50 bucks.
surprised he made that. Like, he had to go through the tree branches.
He's running a lap. All right, right here, Ollie.
Hey, it's that Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift's got me on God levels right now.
Kickflip the smaller gap.
He has nothing else to say.
Oh! Yes! Amazing. Uzi's really impressed me in this game. You got
right
this. He said it ends right here. Oh, that is it!
$4.
There's 4 of the 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. The man is a man of integrity.
46. Here's 4 and 46.
I mean, it was an impressive shot.
Hold on.
And we did try that the other day for like 10 minutes and none of us made it.
Yeah.
There we go. Paying Gabe.
There it is.
There it is.
Pleasure doing business with you, my friend. Can we, oh, yep. There it is. That was an amazing game. Kryptonics boards, they held up. They're really, really good, actually, for their price. And just, you know, for buying them at Target, amazing. A lot of tricks were done. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you guys should learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs. We'll see you tomorrow.